Hey loves, welcome back. Thank you for clicking. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Lillian, and in this video I'm going to tell you guys some of the things I won't be doing in 2023. Things you should not do in 2023, my friend. Don't do these things, they're going to affect you. Hit the like button if this sounds interesting to you. The first thing on my list that I will not be doing this year is fake friends. At all time, fake friends are so dangerous to your life. You know what have been happening, stories of friends who do dangerous things to their friends. So this year you should not do them. And it's very easy to detect who a fake friend is. Trust me, if you pay attention carefully, you will discover them. These people come into your life just to use you, not for anything. They don't need anything from you, they don't want anything. They just want to use you and finish up everything you have, and they just want to take from you. Most of the time, this fake category of friends, they are not people that don't have a lot. They have a lot, so much more than you do, but they still feel like you don't deserve anything that you have. So whatever you have should have been theirs, should have been them, not you. You don't deserve it. You know that, you know what I mean? And they are really dangerous to your life, trust me. Another thing I will not be doing in 2023 is letting people tell me, no, dress like this, or wear this, don't do this. In 2023, I want you to join me and say, no, you not be like that. In 2023, you should be yourself. Discover new things, new people, new places. You should literally be yourself in 2023. Discover new places, new things, and new people, just like I have discovered this amazing brand here, all the way from India. Yes, so I discovered this brand all the way from India. It was cheap, all the way from India down here to Accra, Ghana, and I want to introduce this brand to you, my friends. First on the list is these two body lotions of aloe vera. This one is the aloe vera extract, and this is what is written on it. And it smells like aloe vera. It feels like that, a bit slimy. There's a way it feels on the skin, and though it doesn't smell great or so good, no. It smells like aloe vera, and that is due to the natural ingredients in it. So I love it. It just vanishes into the skin quickly and leaves you feeling soft and shiny. This one is the Rose of Elizabeth. Very amazing on the skin. I have been using these products for some time now, more than a week. I got them, and I decided, as always, to use them first and confirm before introducing them to anyone out here. All right, and I wanted to be sure, because the more I grow older, the more I'm careful about things and people I get myself with. So it smells so good, and it vanishes quickly into the skin, and it leaves your skin feeling soft. All right, oh my god, what a new discovery, and I love it. So the next, these ones are all facial wash apart from this one, and the reason I've not opened this particular one is because I have 99 skin problem, but acne is not one of them. So I'm putting it back because of that. And the ones I've been using a lot, and I really love it. So what I usually do is I start out with this detox face wash, and I move on to this comforting face wash and this bright now face wash, and I love the combo. Anytime I go into the bathroom, I come out feeling so sweet, feeling so soft. And when I'm done exfoliating and I moisturize my skin with the body lotion, what I do next is this. I use the Muse on my body. All you have to do with this one is spray it all over your body, okay, before you put on your outfit. Make sure you don't spray this on your clothes. This is not a perfume, this is a body mousse. See the difference between perfume and body mousse. And one thing about this one is it has these shimmers in it. So if you spray it on your outfit, you're going to be looking glittering all day long, and you wouldn't want that to happen to you, right? You just want to smell good, and they'll be wondering why you are smelling so good. That is your power, baby. In 2023, that's what we should be doing. That's what we'll be doing. These are the face creams. The reason this one is still sealed is because I have 99 skin problem, but acne is not one of them. They have this anti-aging, sunburn, they have the brighten ones, everything to choose from. So for me, what I usually do with these ones is I start out with the anti-pollution and then I move on to the game changer night cream. You know, most of the time I use this one only at night, and then I use this one during the day. If I'm not stepping out of the house, I use this during the day. But if I know I'm stepping out, I use this right now because it has sunscreen and it's very nice on the skin. So these are the products that I recently discovered, and I want you to discover. You know what happened to me? I used to have this company that reached out to me, and then I told them my terms and my cons, which includes using the product first to find out if it works or not. And then when I used them, I realized they're amazing. So I decided to do the collaboration with them, and after the collaboration, continue to patronize them. I think they became a bit more expensive than my budget. So I decided to order what I saw on Instagram, and I've been using it on my skin. My skin right now, look at it. If you look at my skin carefully, you realize I have two colors. I'm lighter here, darker here. Be careful what you use on your skin. But with this product I have been using to repair my skin. I've been using this product to repair my skin, and I'm getting the result. The results are mind-blowing. So they're looking for distributors everywhere in the world, any part of Africa especially. And the fun part is you don't have to be bothered about the delivery, the shipping and all that, how you're going to ship it, because that, and in case you're concerned how you're going to get them, you don't have any problem. All you have to do is check the description box for details on how to order this product. This brand is highly recommended. Bring it onto you, order for it, you know, place order for them, and they have them delivered to you at your doorstep right here in Accra, Ghana, or anywhere in Africa, all the way from India, direct from the manufacturer. That is what I'm talking about. Okay, that is your power, baby. In 2023, don't do things that will damage your skin. Don't keep friends that will damage your life. That is why I am using this. Okay, all right, so shall we continue? So the people you must avoid, okay, as you grow older, a lot of time people will say you have changed. You know, you didn't change. Maybe just you wanting to discover yourself, which is totally okay. Because if you continue to keep on doing like, oh, don't speak like this, speak like this, you know, I personally have had to deal with that, you know, where people want me, certain people feel like they behave better than me, so they want to teach me how to behave. So you know what that means? That means you don't have your own identity anymore. God shouldn't have created you at all if he wanted you to be like the other person. Of course, there are habits that you should copy that are good, but this should be something you sit and admire to say, oh, okay, I want to copy this habit instead of mine. I feel like I'll do better. This habit will open doors for me. This habit will make me a happier person. This habit will help me to grow better in my life, in my relationship with nature, God, and the things around me. That one is different. But people imposing how you should act to you and then you taking it is a no in 2023. Period. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.